Welcome to my channel, The Way of Learning. Today's topic is Antonyms, Class 4. First one is care. Opposite word is neglect. Second one is change. Opposite word is unchanged. Number 3, choose. Opposite word is reject. Number 4, cheap. Opposite word is costly. Number 5, careful. Opposite word is careless. Number 6, certain. Opposite word is uncertain. Number 7, clever. Opposite word is stupid or fool. Number 8, clean. Opposite word is dirty. Number 9, close. Opposite word is open. Number 10, comfortable. Opposite word is uncomfortable. Number 11, calm. Opposite word is go. Number 12, complex. Opposite word is simple. Number 13, common. Opposite word is uncommon. Number 14, compulsory. Opposite word is optional. Number 15, conscious. Opposite word is unconscious. Number 16, conceal. Opposite word is reveal. Number 17, confident. Opposite word is diffident. Number 18, cold. Opposite word is hot. Number 19, correct. Opposite word is incorrect or wrong. Number 20, create. Opposite word is destroy. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe the channel. The next video is coming soon.